In this tutorial, you will learn about CSS box model. Basically, it is just a revision of what we studied in last 3 to 4 videos. So what is CSS box model? All HTML elements can be considered as boxes. In CSS, the term box model is used when talking about design and layout. The CSS box model is essentially a box that wraps around every HTML element. It consists of margins, borders, padding, and the actual content. Now this image illustrates box model. The content is the box where text and images appear. Then the padding is something that clears an area around the content. Padding is transparent. Then the border goes around the padding and content. And finally, the margin is something that clears an area outside the border. Margin is again transparent. The box model allows us to add a border around elements and to define space between elements. So I have written a simple code to demonstrate box model. There's one heading, one paragraph and one div, and I have styled the div in the CSS file using all the properties, that is margin, padding and border. And this is how it looks on the browser. So this is the content. Then the light gray color is the padding. Then the green color is the border. And then the value for margin is 20 pixels. So the area outside the border, this. Outside the border is the margin, which is of 20 pixels. So I hope you have understood the concept of box model. Thank you.